Happy Monday, everybody. How was your weekend? It's almost Halloween. Your girlfriend's making you do some pumpkin patch bullshit. If I have to carve one more pumpkin, I'm just gonna drive my car off the 101. I don't give a anymore. Anyways, we got some good videos up recently. We started with how to install a car stereo and backup camera. We did this doubled-in installation on a luxurious 2007 Toyota Corolla. If you've never installed a car stereo before, want to learn how to do it, go over and check that video out. We go over every step of the process. Taking the car apart, removing the factory stereo, splicing and soldering the harnesses, running the backup camera RCA and mounting it to the back of the car, everything. We also have some new car stereo wiring diagrams, so make sure you check it out. Apple's iOS 12 brought Google Maps and Waze to Carplay. This is bad news for Apple and the 12 people that still use Apple Maps, but great news for everybody else. And we also checked out the Soundstorm Labs FR4001 monoblock strappable amplifier. We tested its specs out, and let's just say it fell a little short. Go ahead and watch the video to find out how short. Links in the bio for all these videos. It's been a little while since I roasted some of these top comments, but we got some real charmers recently that I wanted to share with you. 4th Gen Dude 02, bunk ass mechanic. He looks high while trying to read those cue cards. Not big on smoking pots, man. TJ954 Gaming. I ran out of mayonnaise. I don't think I'm doing it right. Yeah, generally, TJ, you want to have a girl with you when you're having sex. Or a guy, if that's what you're into. Not mayonnaise. I hope you at least use Hellman's mayonnaise and not that Cane's bull. What are you gonna get? Hunt's ketchup instead of Heinz? Get the out of here. Who are you? 8-inch Vince. Probably the gayest system I've ever seen. This guy's profile picture is ridiculous. 8-inch Vince, what are you measuring from the back of your ass with your tape measure so you get an extra 7 inches? Will Banyata. Go to church. Nah, man, the food there is terrible. Daniel K. Wangtu. 90% of this review is focused on your face. No one wants to see your face. They looked up this product because they want to see the product, not because they care about how you look. Video disliked. The is it like watching a movie with you? Daniel, personally, I think you're afraid of how much you like my face. These emotions you feeling are normal. I'm here for you. This guy's name is off. On our system install, why would you bother? Was that one 12-inch sub and a couple of speakers and a baby amp? You'll be listening to it by yourself. Nobody gonna hear that, and that's what car audio is all about. Showing off the power of your system and its presentation. And too much testosterone in these YouTube comments. Jesus Christ. Not everyone wants to lose their hearing by the time they're 32. Off. I'm not telling you to off, that's just your name. Off. Okay, off. Next up, we got Chana100 Red, who loves us so much, he commented 4 times on the same video. That's dedication, people. Chana100 Red, what a video. Chana100 Red, this guy is a joke. Chana100 Red, a video like this will only get negative responses. Seriously, dude, sort it out. Chana100 Red, any chance the music can be reduced so we can hear what on earth you're saying? Chan, it sounds like you're having a tough time. Now, I'm not sure if they changed the number yet, but let me check. Suicide hotline. Yeah, call 1-800-273-8255 and they might help. You just seem so angry. One of my all-time favorite comments coming up by H.H. Scott, who wrote a essay. Never seen this channel before, but I saw Big D and had to check it out. I work with the public and go out of my way to enunciate very well. I didn't know it was possible to enunciate too much until I saw this video. Your voice is like a robot. I can't even pay attention to what you're saying. Also, Big D did his test differently than normal, so I couldn't really follow it very well. Clearly, you're not very good at grammar. It was kind of confusing. I know all this stuff like the back of my hand. I'm a car audio guy and an audiophile from way back. Of course you are. But the staccato nature of it all just left me wondering what's going on here. You might want to work on that because I'm certainly not interested in watching this channel again, if that's how it always is. Just my opinion from my past experience of expressing my opinion here on YouTube. Halfway through this comment, I can already tell that H.H. Scott is a yelper who probably leaves complaints about his mac and cheese from the Olive Garden. I fully expect to get attacked for doing so just let me say ahead of time, if any regular viewers feel the need to defend this channel by attacking me, I won't be responding to that childish nonsense because this isn't childish at all. And you can feel free to go to hell. I don't want to hear it unless it's an honest and open discussion. Attacking me because I don't like something won't change my mind anyway. And anyone with half a brain is already aware of this. There's no point in talking with people that do this anyway. It's just my opinion, and neither right nor wrong. That's simple. If you don't agree, feel free to explain your opinion in an adult manner and we can discuss. But anyone that tells me to go somewhere else if I don't like it can go pound sand, especially since that's exactly what I said I plan on doing. Yet this has never stopped the overgrown babies on here, so you're not an overgrown baby right now writing an essay, from doing exactly this in the past. So let's see how this one plays out. Could be interesting. Just my preemptive strike plan. This way I can just say everything once and still tell them what losers they are. You know, like the kind of people who write essays on a single YouTube comment without having to actually grace them with my response, because I usually just ignore them. Now I can do both in one shot, ignore them and yet still tell them off. I think it's a great idea myself. I have a feeling they won't like it so much. What the f? Honestly, man, if you took the time out of your life to write a 500-word comment on a YouTube video, I feel worried for you. Again, the suicide hotline, everybody, is 1-800-273-8255. Available every day, 24/7. Francisco Javier Capita Diaz, what radio are you wearing?
Well, I'm so glad you asked. I'm wearing the Pioneer AVH211EX. It was handmade by panda bears in Taiwan.
Alright, that's it for top comments, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Check out all the videos we posted if you haven't seen them yet. Go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Leave any comments below. And say hello to your mother for me.